Welcome back to the FlipNerd.com REI Classroom, where experts from across the real estate investing industry teach you quick lessons to take your business to the next level. And now, let's meet today's expert host.
Hi there, Holly McKhann, your host today for REI Classroom. Today I'm going to share with you my 3 guiding principles for building wealth. And this applies not only to real estate investors, but everyone.
This show is sponsored by PassiveRental.com.
I was asked this question just today on a podcast, and I think it's so great to consider this and to live by some principles when you are planning out your life and making decisions. Once you have these principles, it's easier to make decisions and live your life when you've got these guiding principles. And yours may be different than mine. They probably will be, but here are mine. Number 1. Live below your means. This is such common sense, but it can be so tempting to take a more expensive vacation than we can afford and charge it on a credit card and just pay it off. Or maybe you buy a car that's really expensive, but hey, they're offering no money down, so just get it. Okay, I just did that a few weeks ago, so maybe that's not a good example. No, I'm kidding. I did take advantage of that because I figured car financing at 0.9% is way cheaper than the private money I pay. So I look at it as financing for my business, which I guess is another point, that if you have reasonable money costs somewhere like that, take advantage of them where you can. But think about living below your means on a monthly basis. Just get your costs of living as low as you can, but to still be comfortable. I don't expect anyone to be out living in a tent somewhere so they don't have a house payment. That would be crazy. But just control the impulse buys and maybe sleep on it overnight if you're thinking of a big purchase, or run it by a spouse or significant other to make sure that you are living within your means. Number 2, my second principle is to take educated risks. It's really hard to grow your wealth at a fast pace, faster than mutual funds would grow it, or faster than a bank that's going to give you 0.2% interest will grow it, without doing some more either creative investments or aggressive investments, which we're talking about real estate in general. So real estate offers a lot of opportunities to get a higher return than some of the traditional investments. However, real estate and investing in notes and being a lender can be really risky if you're not educating yourself. So it's really important to educate yourself on whatever asset class you're choosing to invest in, whether that's gold or the stock market or real estate. So invest money and time in getting educated the right way so that you can take good risks that are educated, that will hopefully lead you to a much higher rate of return than you'll get doing mutual fund investing or investing in a bank. I'm so not a fan of those options, and I have no money in either of those places myself. Number 3, this is important too. Don't be so restrictive on yourself that you don't give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done, an investment well chosen, a deal that's gone right. Celebrate. So maybe the celebration is you're going to go to a nice dinner. Maybe if you're me, you want to go get a nice massage, or maybe it's just going and having a picnic on the beach if you're still in budget mode and you can't afford to celebrate monetarily. If you got a great deal, maybe you're going to go take a vacation to Mexico, as long as it's within your means and it's not detracting from your overall financial goals for wealth building. So one important thing about that is that when you celebrate and reward yourself for a job well done, your subconscious mind wants you to do it more, because it's kind of like, when a dog is getting trained, when it does the trick the right way, it gets a treat. Well, your brain is the same way. When your brain is producing a result that you want and it gets rewarded, and your body gets rewarded with a fun day out or dinner out or vacation or something, subconsciously your mind is going to be trying to reproduce that result because you're going to want more rewards. It's a great way to train yourself for excellent results and for building wealth and for happiness. So those are my 3 tips for building long-term wealth and some principles to live by as you're doing it. This is Holly McKhann from houseflipmasters.com, where you can learn more about my strategies at that website. And can't wait to see you next time on REI Classroom.
PassiveRental.com is your source for turnkey, done-for-you rental properties. If you'd like to be an investor and not a landlord, please visit PassiveRental.com to learn how to purchase cash-flowing, professionally managed rental properties in the hottest rental markets across the country. We can also help connect you with financing for your next property. Invest the easy way today and get started by visiting PassiveRental.com. Please note, the views and opinions expressed by the individuals in this program do not necessarily reflect those of FlipNerd.com or any of its partners, advertisers, or affiliates. Please consult professionals before making any investment or tax decisions, as real estate investing can be risky. Are you a member yet of FlipNerd.com, the hottest real estate investing social community online? If not, you can join for free in less than 30 seconds and get access to hundreds of off-market deals, vendors in your market to help you in your business. And you can start networking with thousands of other investors just like you. Get your free account now at FlipNerd.com. Please check out the FlipNerd family of real estate investing shows, where you can access hundreds of expert interviews, quick tips, and lessons from leaders across the real estate investing industry. They're available at FlipNerd.com/shows, or simply search for FlipNerd in the iTunes Store.